Hello, Power Partners. I want to welcome you to the Solar Grid Invitation. Now, what is this? This is the core. This is the heartbeat. This is what we do on a day in, day out basis. Is two things. Number one, we invite homeowners to connect with our partner at Solar City to learn how much money they can save by using clean energy instead of dirty. And this is going to be the invitation process for that. Number two is obviously we invite people to become partners with us to spread clean energy across the world. So how do we invite people to solar? Well, step one is just log in. Click on the login button in the upper right, enter in your username and password, and log in to the multi-million-dollar platform that you have at your fingertips to help you invite and track your homeowners through the process. If you'll notice over in the upper left-hand corner, there's three little lines or bars up here. When you click on that, you're going to see dashboard, power grid, and solar grid. We're going to focus on solar grid right now because that's where we invite your homeowners to take part in this amazing shift to clean energy. Now, there's two ways to do this. Number one is you could simply click on this Join Solar link right here, and you'll notice that it has a URL. That URL you can copy and paste, and you could email it to somebody, you could text it to them, and what happens is they will go to a website that is actually personalized or customized on your behalf. Now, if they want to do it on their own, they can simply enter in their zip code, and as long as it's a valid zip code, then it will take them to the next stage where they can enter in their name, their address, their email, and their average bill. And then they can click on this button. Once they do that, that's going to notify our partners at Solar City to immediately reach out to them and call. So this is one way that you can do it. You can send it to your site with your information, your link, if you will, and get people enrolled. And you'll notice it's customized. It's got your name as a solar concierge in there. It's got some of the benefits and things like that. And it's got a cool little video that they can watch. Now, most of the Power Partners have found success by actually doing the second way. If you'll notice in the right-hand side here, there's a little blue button with a plus sign. And when you click on that, you will enter in their information. As soon as you do, if it's in a valid area, it'll pop up and say, hey, this zip is eligible for solar. That's great news. You click continue. You'll enter in their contact information, their phone number. This is the number that you're going to call to do a live transfer. This is also the number that Solar City will call back on to make sure that they connect with your clients, your prospects, if you will, for going solar. So you enter in the information, you hit save and continue, and it's going to give you the next stage, which is to enter in the address. You'll also enter in the average bill. And the next thing you want to do is in the additional notes section, you want to type in the name of the energy consultant at Solar City that you would like this lead or this referral to go to. So I put in, please send this lead to Tammy Nielsen, which is somebody that I've built a great relationship with. She knows me, she knows the type of clients, and the team at Solar City will know that this lead goes to her. Then I click save, and boom, we are good to go. All right, so now what I want to do is when I'm actually ready, when I have the homeowner on the line, they're excited, they're ready to do the three-way live transfer, I'm going to hit submit to Solar City. And then I'm going to call Solar City and tell them, hi, this is Jim Bunch, and I've got my homeowner on the line, and we're ready to do the free proposal. Right? Now that will be spelled out in detail in the next video. You're going to actually get to see a live three-way transfer with one of our Power Partners and her homeowner and Solar City. So I hope this has been helpful. It's a step-by-step with a walkthrough on exactly how to leverage this multi-million-dollar platform to help you build a clean energy business from the palm of your hand. So let's get rocking and rolling. Let's get out there and let's panel the planet.